There are three symptoms, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na physical symptoms, psychological symptoms, and even behavioral symptoms. No, kapag may mga changes na doon sa physical, such as evident na ang fatigue, ang muscular tensions, ang headaches ng employee, madalas, heart palpitations, reported by the, sabihin natin, the company physicians or nurses. Meron ding sleeping difficulties. Physical symptoms yan. Ano pa? Gastrointestinal upsets, meron ding diarrhea, constipation, then merong mga dermatological disorders, no? Physical symptoms yan ng stress sa work. Okay, meron din tayong psychological. Psychological can be symptoms of depression, may anxiety, symptoms ng anxiety, then may discouragement, ayaw na pumasok, no? Paggising sa umaga pa lang, there's a feeling of career plateau. Ang tawag natin career plateau na papasok ka na naman, trabaho, uuwi, then kinabukasan, papasok ka na naman. Irritability. Isa yan, irritability. Ano pa? Then pessimism. Then there are behavioral symptoms also. Ano yung behavioral symptoms? Yan, nabanggit kanina, as you mentioned kanina, increase in absenteeism, aggression, meron din. Then diminished creativity and initiative in work. Then drop in work performance, evident. Okay, ang superior can identify the subordinates. What else? Problems with interpersonal relationships with co-workers. Okay, mood swings and irritability. What else? Lower tolerance and frustration and impatience. Another is disinterest. And there is one pa, yung isolation. That's
Right, yes.
yun yung pinakagrabe, no, yung isolation. When you isolate yourself from others, evident siya, no, na mayroon talagang work-related stress.